John, why do you think people struggle to start conversations in English?
Maybe because they're afraid of making mistakes, ma'am?
That's right, John. Many people hesitate to speak English because they fear mistakes. But guess what? Mistakes help you learn.
All right, John. Today, I'll teach you 5 simple greetings to start any conversation in English.
5 greetings? That sounds easy, Miss English.
Exactly. And by the end, you'll sound confident and natural. Let's start with the first one.
The first one is the classic. Hi, how are you? It's friendly and works anywhere.
So if I meet someone new, I can just say, "Hi, how are you?" Right?
Perfect, John. Simple and natural, that's the key. Next, when you meet someone for the first time, say, "Nice to meet you."
Nice to meet you. And I can reply with, "Nice to meet you too," right?
Exactly. It shows good manners and confidence.
Number 3 is a casual one. What's up? It's great for friends.
So it's like saying, "Hey, how's it going?"
And the thing is, it's informal and relaxed, perfect for friendly chats.
Number 4 is, "How's your day going?" It's polite and caring.
It sounds like I really care about the person.
Exactly, John. It makes your conversation warm and positive.
Finally, if you meet someone after a long time, say, "Long time no see."
Oh, like when I meet an old friend from school?
Yes. It's friendly, natural, and full of emotion.
So, John, 5 simple greetings. Easy to learn, right?
Very easy, Miss English. I feel like a pro now.
That's the spirit. Remember, confidence starts with a simple hello.
Okay, guys, if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MR English PRO. See you in the next class.